Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can mark chats as unread in Microsoft Teams. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, Microsoft Teams allows you to mark chats as unread for the whole conversation or account, or as well as you can do that for individual messages in a chat. For instance, I have various accounts here, and if I want to mark any message as unread, just go to the account that you wish, and here you'll see the messages under this account. To mark any of this as unread, just hover over any of the message and you should see more options, and here we have this option mark as unread. By tapping on this, now the message status will change as if it was not read in my account, and you can see that here. Now Microsoft Teams also allows you to do this for the whole account. To do that for the whole account, just hover over the account, and now if you click on more options here, we have this option to mark as unread, and by doing so, now the messages will be marked as unread. So that's how you can mark messages as unread in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.